Resetting VoiceOver Commands on your iPhone 16 helps restore all VoiceOver gestures and commands to their default settings, which can fix any customization issues or conflicts. Here's how it's done. First, go to the home screen and tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. From the accessibility settings menu, find VoiceOver from the list of options and then tap on it. To continue, scroll down and tap on Commands. Here you can find and tap on Reset VoiceOver Commands. When prompted, review the pop-up message and then tap Reset VoiceOver Commands to confirm. Your iPhone will then revert your personalized Siri voice recognition settings and custom voice commands back to their original defaults. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorials like this one.